We'll show you how to redeem a Roblox gift card on mobile. If this helps you out, feel free to like the video and consider subscribing. Maybe someone gave you a gift card as a present, or you picked one up yourself and now you're looking to add it to your account so you can start using it. It's really simple, so let's jump into it. You can actually do this directly through the Roblox app, so go ahead and open it up. First off, make sure you're logged into the right account, the one you want to redeem the card on. Now head to the bottom right and tap on More. Scroll all the way down and tap Help and Safety, then go ahead and tap Help. Next, click on Search Our Articles and type in Redeem, just like that, then hit Search. From the results, find and tap on how to redeem and spend your gift card. Scroll down on that page and look for roblox.com/redeem, then tap on it. Once you're there, if you've got a physical card, scratch off the code, or if you received it digitally, just copy the code. Now, go ahead and paste or type the code into the box, then tap Redeem, and that's it. The balance will be added to your account. Super easy.